Spark plugs are part of the ignition system that supplies the spark that ignites the air-fuel mixture, creating the explosion that makes your engine produces power and makes your car move forward. Typically, spark plugs in 4-cylinder engines are located on the engine's top or side in a row. Spark plugs in inline 6-cylinder engines are usually located on the top or side of the engine head. Faulty spark plugs can result in an increase in exhaust emissions and poor acceleration while driving. If your spark plugs are completely dysfunctional, your car will not be able to start. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the cylinder misfire related error codes. If your vehicle has encountered spark plug related problems, here is one method to fix the spark plug. The spark plugs are located at the engine end of the wires under the plug covers that attach them. First, carefully remove the spark plug. Use a spark plug gapper to check the spacing of this spark plug. Normally the spacing should be between 0.024 to 0.071 inches. As you can see, the spacing of this spark plug is a bit low. Use the spark plug gapper to increase the spacing back to the normal range. But if you see there is obvious damage on the spark plug, just simply replace it with a new one. So here is one method to fix the spark plug. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.